Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert columns and rows in Excel. So this is some item movement, but I don't know what these items are. So I want to insert a column for description here. So I do right click and insert. And now I have a column where I can write in the descriptions or do a VLOOKUP from another spreadsheet. So that's how you insert a column. Now there are times when you want to copy a column and paste it somewhere else. Like let's just say we want it here. Right click, insert copied cells. Now you have this column duplicated here and here. And that's how you insert columns. So if we save that and we go over here, we just highlight rows and we can insert multiples, or we can just insert one. So that's how you insert new columns or rows between your information. Thank you for watching.